Welcome back, everyone. I'm Ashley Williams, Archivist at Hagley Museum and Library. Today we are making a recipe created in the BBDO Test Kitchen, Raison Breakfast Biscuits. BBDO had a good track record of helping clients come up with creative uses for their products. The National Cranberry Association, for example, turned to BBDO and its test kitchen in 1959 to help them think up alternate ways to use cranberry sauce. The resulting booklet included 75 new cranberry sauce recipes. About 5 years later, the California Raisin Advisory Board wanted the same results as the Cranberry Association, new ways to use raisins, and BBDO was able to help. As the advertisement claims, let's see the good things we can fix with raisins. To start, we'll mix 1 cup of raisins, brown sugar, and chopped nuts. Today we're using walnuts. Once that's mixed together, you're going to take a can of ready-to-bake biscuits and stretch them to 4-inch circles. Generously butter the top. And finally topped with the raisin mixture. These are now ready to go in a 450-degree oven for about 8 minutes. These have been cooling for a few minutes now. Let's give it a try. So my initial reaction is I didn't use all of the raisin mixture on the top of these, but I can see where you could put more on here. That as the biscuits bake and puff up and kind of spread a little bit, you would want more of that mixture on top. It's really good. It reminds me a little bit of like a cinnamon roll with the sweetness of the brown sugar and a little bit of a crunch from the nuts. And the raisins give it a little bit of a tanginess to it, so it's not overly sweet. and the biscuit is really buttery and flaky and really good. I would make this again. I hope this has let you think about using raisins in different ways. Thanks for watching.